Let's make some fresh homemade coconut milk. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk using just coconut shreds, water, a few little extra ingredients which are totally optional, and our secret weapon is our nut milk bag. Let's get started. To date, half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, or you can use extract. Just going to add a little salt.
There's a coconut in the tiki hut, filled with coconut cream. Let's mix some with Hawaiian rum and have cocktails down by the sea. Diamond head in the distance, waves gently lapping the shore.
We have all this nice coconut pulp left that we can use for some other things.
I want to love you more and more.
Just a little left for me to taste.
There's a coconut in the tiki hut, filled with coconut
So good. So there you go, super easy coconut milk. You can do this with just coconut and water, or add any other ingredients you like to flavor it up. Cheers.